Okay, it's time to prepare the food. As we put all the ingredients on the table. So first we're gonna boil the rice, and by doing that, obviously using hot water or normal water if you want, and putting salt if you want as well. I'm using Italian chopped tomatoes and pizza sauce for the texture of the rice. And I'm gonna peel potatoes and chop them and boil them. I'm chopping them into like quite small shapes, but I'm not boiling them for too long because they're still gonna boil together with the tomato and the rice. So I'm gonna put different seasons like paprika, parsley, and curry as well. And I'm gonna stir that and make sure it sinks in. I'm gonna add the potatoes. Yummy potatoes. Now after doing that, I'm gonna add the boiled rice inside. And then make sure to stir that. Now for the fish, I'm using mustard, and inside the mustard I'm going to put like a few spices in it to give it more flavor. And I'm using the mackerel cod fillet, and I'm just gonna like cut them into smaller shapes so they can go round as well. I'm gonna divide it into like two and cut it, and I'm gonna like put on the mustard on the mackerel. And I'm also gonna use seafood sticks because they go really well with anything seafood related. And if you're like a fan of sushi, you would have had that a few times. And I'm gonna cut them into like tiny little cubes, like tiny little sugar cubes. If you get what I mean. And now I'm just gonna put them all and sprinkle some oregano on them because oregano like gives it some more flavor. And now, yeah, more oregano as well because oregano is just like the best thing to season on top of your fish. Now the food is ready. You can see the potato rice. I've packed it into different sections because it's eat wise and revise. Delicious fish, seafood, potato rice. Perfect thing to eat right before an exam. Did you know that fish is really good for like enhancing your brain? I'm not sure how true that is, but it's really good to eat with friends right before you go and study, because the worst thing to do is to study on an empty stomach because it's really hard to like revise. So guys, eat wise and revise, okay?